After 65, do this 10-minute ritual daily to add 8 years to your life. Have you ever walked into a room, paused, and thought, "What did I come in here for?" Or spent far too long searching for your keys, only to find them in your hand or right in front of you? It's frustrating, right? Moments like these can feel like part of getting older, a natural part of aging. But what if I told you that they don't have to be? What if staying sharp, focused, and brimming with energy wasn't just wishful thinking, but actually within your reach? The good news is you can make it happen with small, simple daily choices that improve your overall well-being and keep your brain resilient. And the even better news? One secret may already be sitting in your refrigerator, waiting to be put to good use. Yes, I'm talking about eggs. Those little white and gold gems are true superfoods, packed with nutrients that can either transform your brain's health for the better or, if misused, cause damage over time. And here's the catch that most people overlook. It's not just about eating eggs. It's about how you eat them, when you eat them, and even what you pair them with that makes all the difference. This one thing might be the key to staying sharp well beyond 65, giving you that mental edge to enjoy the life you've worked so hard for. Now in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how eggs can save or destroy your brain health after 65. You'll learn the essential do's and don'ts of incorporating eggs into your diet, uncover the critical factor that makes all the difference, and discover some easy, practical tips to maximize their benefits. By the time we're through, you'll not only understand why eggs are so powerful, but also feel empowered to use them to unlock your brain's full potential. Before we begin, I want you to take a moment to imagine waking up in the morning feeling mentally sharp, physically energized, and ready to tackle your day without the constant mental fog or fatigue so many of us assume comes with getting older. Picture yourself moving through your day confidently, remembering names, dates, and details with ease, while your body feels as vibrant as it did years ago. Trust me, this is possible, and it starts with your choices at the breakfast table. Eggs are incredibly versatile and easy to prepare, but what makes them truly remarkable is what they're packed with. You see, eggs are one of the richest natural sources of a nutrient called choline. Choline is like a brain superhero. It helps build and repair brain cells, supports memory and learning, and even reduces inflammation in the brain. Scientists have found that diets rich in choline are linked to better memory and a lower risk of developing dementia down the line. It's incredible when you think about it. Something so small, so often overlooked, can have such a profound impact on your brain health. The brain-boosting power of eggs. Start your day with eggs. Including eggs in your breakfast can provide a steady supply of choline to kickstart your brain activity. Scrambled, boiled, or in an omelet, there are endless ways to enjoy them. Enhance focus and cognition. The choline in eggs supports neurotransmitter production, helping to improve focus, memory, and learning. Support long-term brain health. Regular consumption of choline-rich foods like eggs can reduce the risk of age, cognitive decline, and support overall brain health. Balanced nutrition. Eggs are not only rich in choline, but also provide high-quality protein and other essential nutrients like vitamin B12 and selenium, offering a well-rounded nutrition boost. By incorporating eggs into your diet in creative and healthy ways, you can reap these brain-boosting benefits along with many additional nutritional advantages. But here's where most people miss the mark. Many of us, especially as we age, don't get enough choline in our diets. Worse, some cooking methods and food pairings can actually sabotage the benefits of eggs. Cooking your eggs in unhealthy oils or pairing them with sugary breakfast items can cancel out their brain-boosting powers. On the flip side, pairing your eggs with nutrient-dense vegetables or whole grains can magnify their benefits exponentially. Timing matters too. Studies show that your body and brain process certain nutrients differently depending on when you consume them. Having eggs as part of a protein-packed breakfast can stabilize your blood sugar levels throughout the morning, giving your brain the fuel it needs to stay focused and alert for hours. Tips for maximizing the benefits of eggs in your diet. Pair with whole foods. Combine eggs with nutrient-rich options like leafy greens, avocados, or whole grain toast to create a balanced and satisfying meal. Choose healthy preparation methods. Opt for boiled, poached, or scrambled eggs with minimal oil to retain their nutritional value while keeping excess fats in check. Time your consumption. Incorporate eggs into your breakfast routine to enjoy sustained energy and mental focus throughout the day. Add variety. Experiment with adding diverse vegetables, herbs, or spices to your eggs to enhance their flavor and nutrient profile. Benefits of including eggs in your diet. Packed with high-quality protein that supports muscle repair and growth. Rich in vitamins like B12, D, and choline, which are essential for brain and nervous system health. Easy to prepare, budget-friendly, and versatile for any meal of the day. Helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing cravings. Now you might be thinking, what about cholesterol? It's a question I've heard so many times, and it's one we should address. For years, eggs were demonized in the health world because people believed they raised your cholesterol to dangerous levels. But here's the thing. More recent research has shown that for the majority of people, eating eggs in moderation does not increase cholesterol to unhealthy levels. In fact, eggs can actually raise your HDL cholesterol, also known as the good cholesterol, that protects your heart and supports brain function. Of course, if you have a specific medical condition, you should always check with your doctor, but for most people, the benefits of eating eggs far outweigh the concerns. Tips and benefits of eating eggs. Rich source of nutrients. Eggs are packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, vitamin D, and iron, all of which contribute to overall health and vitality. High-quality protein, an excellent source of complete protein. Eggs support muscle growth and repair, making them ideal for active individuals. Weight management. Including eggs in your diet can promote feelings of fullness, helping to reduce overall calorie intake and support weight management goals. Eye health. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are beneficial for maintaining healthy vision and reducing the risk of age-eye conditions. Versatility. Whether boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs are easy to prepare and can complement a variety of meals while adding rich flavor and nutrition. By incorporating eggs into your diet in moderation, you can harness these benefits to support a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Before we go any further, can I ask you for a quick favor? If you're finding this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. It's completely free and it helps me keep creating content that makes a difference in lives just like yours. Plus, you'll join an incredible community of folks who are dedicated to living their healthiest, sharpest, and happiest lives at every age. We like to call ourselves the health tipsters. Oh, and when you're ready to take action on what you're learning today, leave me a comment below that says Health Warrior. I read every single one, and who knows, your story just might inspire someone else in our community. All right, ready? Back to eggs. Here's where it gets fascinating. Pairing eggs with certain foods is one of the best ways to unlock their full potential. For example, adding leafy greens like spinach or kale to your eggs not only adds delicious flavor, but also brings in a powerhouse of antioxidants and brain-protecting nutrients. Want to take it to the next level? Sprinkle some turmeric on your eggs while cooking. Turmeric has been linked to improved memory and reduced brain inflammation. A squeeze of lemon over your breakfast can also enhance your body's ability to absorb some nutrients. Small tweaks like this can multiply the benefits of your meals. Tips for a brain-boosting breakfast. Add healthy fats. Incorporate sources of healthy fats, such as avocado slices or a drizzle of olive oil. These are essential for brain health and improving mood. Include whole grains. Opt for whole grain bread or oats alongside your meal. Whole grains provide a steady release of energy, and help support cognitive function. Hop with berries. Fresh or frozen berries like blueberries and strawberries are rich in antioxidants, which can help protect the brain from aging and oxidative stress. Stay hydrated. Pair your breakfast with a glass of water or a cup of herbal tea. Staying hydrated supports focus and mental clarity throughout your day. By thoughtfully incorporating these tips, you can start your day with a meal that fuels both your body and mind effectively. And here's where timing comes into play. Think of your mornings as a reset button for your body and brain. After a night of fasting, while you sleep, your body is ready to absorb nutrients and kickstart your energy. This is why starting your day with a protein-rich breakfast that includes eggs can help stabilize your blood sugar and keep you mentally sharp for hours. Skipping breakfast or opting for sugary cereals instead can leave you feeling sluggish and unfocused by mid-morning. Tips for a healthy morning routine. Start with hydration. Drink a glass of water first thing in the morning to rehydrate your body and aid digestion. Prioritize protein. Incorporate protein-rich foods like eggs, yogurt, or nuts in your breakfast to help maintain steady energy levels. Limit sugary foods. Avoid processed, sugary cereals and pastries, which can cause energy crashes later in the day. Add fresh produce. Include fruits or vegetables in your breakfast to boost your intake of vitamins and fiber. The benefits of a morning routine. Enhanced energy levels. A balanced breakfast helps sustain energy throughout the morning. Improved mental clarity. Consuming nutritious foods positively impacts focus and brain function. Stable blood sugar, protein, and healthy fats work to prevent mid-morning energy slumps. Better overall health. Starting your day with good habits sets the tone for healthier choices later. Now I want to tell you about someone I know who experienced the life-changing effects of small changes to her diet. My aunt, who's in her late 60s, used to struggle with forgetfulness and mental fatigue. She often talked about how she'd felt like she was slowing down and couldn't keep up with her usual activities. But over time, I noticed something remarkable. Her energy levels improved, and she seemed sharper and more vibrant than ever. When I asked her what she had been doing differently, she told me she had started making intentional changes to her breakfast. Instead of skipping it or settling for toast and coffee, she made it a point to prepare scrambled eggs with a side of sautéed vegetables. It may sound simple, but that one consistent change made a world of difference. Her memory improved, and she started feeling like herself again. The power of a nutritious breakfast. Making intentional choices for breakfast can have a significant impact on your overall well-being. Here are some tips and benefits to help you start your day right. Tips for a healthy breakfast. Include a balance of protein, healthy fats, and fiber to keep you energized and satisfied. Prepare your breakfast the night before to ensure you stay consistent even on busy mornings. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods like eggs, avocados, and fresh vegetables. Limit sugary cereals and pastries, which can cause energy crashes later in the day. Benefits of a nutritious breakfast. Boosts mental clarity and focus throughout the day. Helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, avoiding sudden dips in energy. Improves mood and reduces feelings of irritability. Supports better memory and cognitive functions over time. This is the beauty of small, consistent habits. One good decision can lead to another. When you start your day by fueling your brain and body with the nutrients they need, you set yourself up for success in everything you do. And the great thing is, it's never too late to start. Whether you're 50, 65, or 80, your brain and body can benefit from these small changes. If you're still with me, take a moment to like this video. It lets me know these tips are reaching people who need them, and it helps more folks discover this kind of life-changing information. Plus, it's a small way to keep our growing community connected and thriving. Now, if you're wondering how to put all this into practice, it's easier than it seems. Start by making eggs a regular part of your breakfast routine. But don't stop there. Pay attention to how you prepare them. Try cooking them in healthy fats like olive oil or avocado oil instead of butter or processed oils. Pair them with fresh vegetables or a side of whole grain toast. And don't forget to experiment with spices like turmeric or paprika for added benefits. And if you want to get really creative, you can even try a veggie-packed omelet or an egg muffin baked with your favorite herbs and veggies. Tips and benefits of cooking with eggs. Tips: choose quality eggs. Opt for free-range or organic eggs whenever possible for better flavor and nutrition. Cook at low to medium heat. This prevents overcooking and preserves the nutrients in the eggs. Add healthy ingredients. Incorporate vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to create balanced meals. Use non-stick cookware. Minimize the use of excessive oils by using high-quality non-stick pans. Keep it simple. A well-made boiled, poached, or scrambled egg can be just as delightful as a complex recipe. Benefits: high nutritional value. Eggs are packed with protein, essential vitamins, and minerals like vitamin D and choline. Supports muscle health. The protein in eggs aids in muscle repair and growth, boosts eye health. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support vision. Versatility. Eggs can be prepared in countless ways, making them a convenient and adaptable food item. Keeps you full longer. The high protein content promotes satiety and helps with overall appetite control. Here's the thing, we can't stop the clock from ticking, but we can influence how we age. Eating well is one of the most powerful tools we have to stay sharp and full of energy as we grow older. Eggs are just one small part of a bigger picture, but they're a great place to start. The choice is yours. You can use eggs as a tool to enhance your health, or miss out on their benefits by not using them intentionally. But remember, the changes you make today will add up over time. Your brain, your body, and your future self will thank you for it. Here's to living boldly and aging gracefully, one simple choice at a time. Make that breakfast count, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Optimum health and vitality belong to you, health warrior, at any stage of life. See you in the next video.